Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a quick tutorial on how to screen share Opera GX on Discord without that annoying black screen. Let's dive right in. If you're tired of sharing a black screen while using Opera GX on Discord, these steps should help you out. Now first, for step 1, we need to open Opera GX. Fire up your Opera GX browser. We're going to make sure your screen sharing works flawlessly. Now step 2, select your Discord server. Next, open up Discord and select the server where you want to share your screen. So let's open Discord, and I'm already in a server, and we can proceed to step 3, which is to choose Opera GX. Click on applications and choose Opera GX as your screen sharing source. Now we have here share your screen, and let's choose Opera GX like so. Then we can click go live, and there you have it. Now if this doesn't work for you, we just need to close this, stop streaming like so. So we need to go to Opera GX, go to the settings tab, like so, and just click hardware. And as you can see, it is disabled for me. Then if it is enabled, you need to disable it and then relaunch or restart your Opera GX. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now screen share Opera GX on Discord without that annoying black screen. Enjoy sharing your browsing adventures with your friends hassle-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. Feel free to drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy browsing and happy sharing.